When I go out to dine, I think a lot of the presentation catches my attention. The ambiance of the restaurant, the decorations in the restaurant, but more importantly, I think the tabletop catches my attention. My name is Brian Johnson. I'm with Johnson Pike out of Denver, Colorado. Sizing and dinnerware, I think, really plays to the kind of restaurant you want to be. A high-end restaurant quite often wants an oversized plate, so they can decorate that plate, use it as a palette versus just a serving vessel for food. The expensive dinnerware can be very thin and fine and give you a really nice sheen on your table. A medium-priced restaurant might want to be able to put larger portions on their plate, so narrow rim plates and overloading the plates. Driving the food costs up a little bit, but giving a larger presentation. One of the ways that you can really look at your tabletop is what are you serving in? What kind of portions are you giving to your customers? We have a line called GET. GET has several brands underneath it. GET lends into giving a good portion control. Say on our fry cones or our fry baskets. Instead of filling a whole basket full of fries, we're gonna cut it down to an 8-ounce portion. You can control your costs a little bit more by portion control. We also have factories like Mepra. Mepra is a high-end Italian stainless steel manufacturer. They produce really nice flatware that gives you a nice serrate on your knives, gives you a nice strong tine on your forks, gives you balance. Plus we can give you a variety of finishes. We have recently been working with one of my customers. They have a cold, chilled wine that they're bringing to the table and setting on the top. So we've recently introduced them to a couple of different options of wine buckets. One in particular that we thought was a very good fit for their program is a slender wine bucket that'll hold 2 bottles. It really sucks up to the side of the table a little bit, gets out of the aisle space. When you're looking at a high-end wine program and you're charging a high dollar ticket for your glass of wine, to put it in a glass stemware really doesn't do it justice. You can tell the difference, you can feel that difference. You can hear it when you cheers your friends. Are you getting that high sparkle ting or are you getting a thud? Stozel is a high-end crystal stemware out of Germany. It has a very nice crystal look and a nice feel when you're putting a high-end wine in it. By bringing it up and elevating your game to that next level of crystal, you're gonna have a reason for them to buy second and third glasses and a reason that you can get that higher ticket price. We can also match that with barware. We've recently been working with one of our customers, one of our high-end resorts, that was looking for a better presentation for their high-end whiskey. We introduced the Glencairn glass to them. It's one of the best recognized whiskey vessels in the industry. Stozel is the distributor through Rack for the Glencairn glass in North America. They have a lot of high-end whiskeys. Now they have a high-end way of presenting it to their customers, which will drive price. Here at Johnson Pike, I feel that we can really give you presentation at any level. We can look at your tabletop, help you decide what kind of a presentation you want to provide for your customers, and find a lot of different solutions that'll help take care of your needs.